And the way how Upwork has that now, you get connects through joining their Plus plan, which is their monthly membership, or you can buy them in bundles. A connect is 15 cents. And again, the amount is going to change based on the job. I have seen, I would say most jobs that I have seen recently range from 4 to, I was trying to remember what the top end was. I feel like I've seen some 21s. There might have been a 24, but 21 is what I feel like is the top of the range that I've seen recently. So like 4 to 21, depending, and it's like they're all random amounts, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16. Um, and it's just going to vary. So as a beginner, you're going to need connects. And for some of you, you are going to sign up maybe for like the plus membership, which I'm going to go through with you here in a second. They have a special offer for beginners. It's 50% off. I am not an affiliate for Upwork at all. I don't get paid if you join this or not. But I do recommend it. That their plus membership's normally $19.99. You get it for $9.99, and it comes with 100 connects. 100 connects on their own in a bundle is $15. So for month one, at least, I would sign up for that, grab those 100 connects, and then you get some extra benefits. So you get to see the price range of what people are applying for. It'll show you what's the lowest bid someone's done, what's the highest bid, and you get to see some more details you normally can't, which is really helpful as a beginner to know if you're being competitive. There's some other stuff that you get. It's really not that important. Like you can do a vanity URL on your stuff, but the main thing is those connects, those 100 connects. Now, for some of you, you will put out your first round of applications using those 100 connects, and you will land your first job with that. You're done. You paid your $9.99. But I want to be realistic that for others of you, especially if you're in some of those higher competition, higher price connect jobs, you might have to pay 20, 30, $50 to land your first client. But here's the important part that I want to, well, there's two parts to it. One, I want to encourage you to understand that this is different than when people want you to buy a course or a product and then they're teaching you how to like stand up, how to sell digital products online or how to do something, right? There's so many different elements. Like then you have to go find people to buy it, you have to market it, right? And then most people never make any money. The big difference here is that the connects are really just an investment or a tool for you to be able to go to the people already ready to buy, already with their wallets out, and just have an at bat. And it's a numbers game. And so if you do it enough times, you will land your first client. And with every client you land, it gets easier and easier and easier. And on top of that, you will end up spending less and less connects. I'm going to show you how that plays out. So the comparison I like to make when it comes to thinking about beginning on Upwork versus the money you have to spend, especially if you've been burnt buying different things online, trying to make money and feeling like here's one more thing where someone's trying to make me spend money to make money, is this is more like DoorDash. If you were to go sign up for DoorDash tomorrow because you need to go make some extra money, you know that if you go run those jobs and perform those deliveries, you are going to bring home income, right? And so you wouldn't think twice about filling up your gas tank and pulling out your debit card, filling up that gas tank before you get paid by DoorDash, because you know that that gas you put in your tank is going to go fund all of those deliveries you're about to do, and then you're going to walk away with 200, $300 for the work that you just did with DoorDash, right? This is the same. This is you filling up your gas tank on Upwork so that you have the resources to be able to go apply and get the jobs to then bring in the money. And then it becomes self-funding over time.